In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a dolphin. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images that you can follow along with, be sure to follow the link in the description below. We'll begin the drawing of the dolphin by drawing three shapes. First, draw a large oval that slants a little bit. This oval will represent the main body of the dolphin. Draw a smaller, skinny oval at the top of the first oval. This oval will be the top part of the tail of the dolphin. Also, draw a smaller circle on the other end of the dolphin. This circle will be the head of the dolphin. Next, draw an oval that overlaps the circle that you drew for the head. Also in this step, draw a shape at the bottom of the end of the dolphin to represent the tail flipper of the dolphin. Now, draw lines like the ones in the picture to connect all of the ovals to make the body of the dolphin appear smooth. You can also draw a shape like the one in the picture for the left flipper. Now add a circle for the right eye of the dolphin. Draw the right flipper by making a shape like the one in the drawing. Also add the dorsal fin by making a shape like the one in the picture in the middle of the back. Draw a line to make the mouth of the dolphin and two lines near the tail to smooth out the connection of the bottom of the body to the tail. Now you can go over some of your lines that you have made to define the final drawing of the dolphin. Darken in the eyes but leave a little white spot for the highlight. This will make your dolphin look more friendly. You can color in your dolphin if you like, or you can put him in an ocean scene. You may also want to add some shading to show the form of the dolphin.